Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club.
Yeah.
And today we are going to make a autumn bird.
Or an?
Yeah, autumn bird.
So?
To make the autumn bird, we
What do we
need?
need?
Sketch pen and paper and something to color. And let's
Let's start
Wow.
Drawing. Okay, this is the white paper.
Yeah.
This is this black sketch pen.
Yeah.
And we start with the scarf, okay?
Yeah.
How is the scarf?
The scarf is very easy.
Okay. And a straight line. Done. Okay. Next, what do we make? We make the head.
The head is very easy. Right, Papa?
Right, beta. Yes. And the lower body won't be as tall, as long as the upper body. Would be shorter, and it would go like this. Okay. Now the eyes. Why are you running, Mr. Parikshit? We are trying to run. And the beak. This is the beak, and this is the eyes. How are the eyes?
Like this.
Yes. And perfect.
What's he?
Okay. Very good. Next is
the wings.
Wings.
The pants.
The pants.
I saw a real bird wearing pants. Papa?
Yes. This is.
I'm going to make the pants so cute. I saw dog wearing some t-shirts. Yeah.
Where?
In my garden areas.
In your garden area.
Yeah. Don't hurry. Or don't run.
I'm not running.
Yes, you are running.
No, I'm not. And I'm done. So we are left with some decorations. I won't do this anything here. And the cap. Ooh.
What's the mine one?
Very nice.
But I remember.
Now let's do the color. Make these stripes.
No, we're not going to make these stripes.
Yes, we are.
I'm not going to.
There's the light brown color, the dark brown color.
Oh, give me my dark brown color. Give me my dark brown.
Take. And the light brown and a yellow color and a red color.
Are you trying to confuse me?
No, I'm not trying to do anything to you. I'm done with the red color.
Don't lie.
I'm done with the red color.
Don't lie so much.
I'm not lying.
I can see you.
Okay.
Wait for me, please.
Yes, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, why are you taking mine?
Do the inside one, the light brown one.
The hat is light brown.
The face is also light brown.
No, it's yellow.
Not yellow.
is yellow only.
We'll be doing the same color.
What?
Okay.
What same?
And the legs. Yes. Now I will quickly be coloring it with a light brown color.
Papa, the body is yellow.
I want to make it light brown, okay? Any problem?
It will look ugly.
No problem. I want an ugly autumn bird. I am drawing an ugly autumn bird, you know that.
Why?
The name of this bird is ugly autumn bird.
Mine is a normal autumn bird.
Yo. And
It looks so dirty. Papa, I don't think that you are going to finish it. Yes.
Why so?
Because you are done.
No, I'm not done.
Yes, you are almost right. Papa?
No.
You're almost done, right?
No, I draw very nicely, so I take time. I don't draw in a hurried way like you.
You are first, okay?
I'm always first. Yo. Now I'm left with the yellow color and I am done. Yes. You're not done, Parikshit? Yay. I won.
Don't help
So
me.
guys, how was the drawing?
First let me finish, then say the intro.
By the time Parikshit finishes the drawing, let me say you something. You know what? Let us. Okay, I won't. You finish that one first. Nobody can see your face. Make it quick.
I don't want to make it quick. I want to make it nice and clean.
That is so boring. What are you doing?
I want to make it nice and clean.
Why?
I just want to make it nice and clean.
Come on, get it done quick. Quick. Are you done?
No. Okay, you can help me. But you don't help me because I am almost done. Papa, do you know what?
No, I don't know.
That I'm leaving the room.
I am done.
I am also done.
So Parikshit is also done. So guys, where can you
Cat.
Did you love the drawing?
They love the drawing.
Did you like it?
They like it.
So if you want to also learn these drawings.
You also want to learn
You
this
can
one.
draw these slowly
You can draw
and
this
pause
one.
the videos in
I'll
between.
pause the video.
And
And
for parents,
very
you can share your kids' drawings on Instagram with us and tag us at the rate Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club, and your child can win some exciting free goodies.
And do like and
subscribe our channel to keep getting
more
new drawings, stories and experiments and some games too.
Yeah.
And
And then
do you want to learn drawings?
you want to learn drawings?
Do you want to buy books?
You want to buy books?
So go to kidsfunlearnclub.com/books and you also have a lot of surprises waiting there for you. So see you there. Bye bye.
Bye.